There can be no life without death. So when we look deeply in and we start to see healing from a traditional shamanic sense, it means making a person whole by restoring the health of the mind, restoring the health of the body, restoring the health of the community, restoring the health of the spirit. These societies believe that we are part of the universe and that we must live in balance, in reciprocity with our divine Earth Mother, with our Sky Father, and in deep gratitude to Great Spirit. And for me, all of these traditions have so much to teach us when we look around within our societies and see the imbalance of ego, of fighting, and of the destruction of the very home that we need to help us, the planet. The planet doesn't need us. We need the planet. So right now, take a moment to check in with your inner self. As you are progressing through your coursework, and it doesn't matter any of my courses, this is all just as relevant. Check in, for it is too easy to sail through life without a clear plan, and there is no real value in checking in. However, if you have a plan, if you have a direction that has spilled from your heart into your day-to-day reality, check in on it. See if you're on the right pathway. Dedicate time daily in contemplation. It need only be a few minutes. Spend the time reflecting, looking inwards, for this helps to center and guide you, and then the life choices you make become clear. It elevates you, and all of a sudden when you do this, your heart will start singing the songs it is meant to sing. Your life will be on track. It's when we grasp that we get into trouble. So spend some time and it will work better for you. For I find life is just a journey of sequential unfurling. It is not a destination. It's not that hierarchical driven linear goal. Look up to the moon. See the magical creative energy pouring its light through you right here, right today and now at this intersection of structure, of unpredictability, the visible, the invisible, generating disciplined wildness via teaching, learning, questing, traveling, celebrating diversities. Feel it. Open yourself to the majesty. Open yourself to the magic. Simply let it breathe with you. For we are here at an amazing time on our planet. But this is the time and culture where we can easily be drawn away. We can kind of look at all of these courses that I put up as a little bit of spiritual entertainment. Something that could be commoditized, plasticized, fake surface skimming stuff. But there's not. Look inside. There's layer upon layer upon layer upon layer of depth that is calling your home. So be a nonconformist. See the depth. Call the threads. Go back. Watch it again and again and see the layers. The actual transformational layers. It can get messy. It can get gritty. It can get difficult. It can open you into inconvenient truths that you would rather run and hide from. But what do you want? A life half lived? Just so that you can buy a new dress or a new car? Really? Go to that metaphorical desert or mountain peak or that river where you can sit and allow the winds to strip away the trappings of life. Let them go. Let them just slough you. The clothing, the makeup, the accessories. Let them take it away. See the winds clear it all, and then work with the moonlight to soothe, to restore. And then let the sun in to fire your imagination, whilst all the way sitting with your feet grounded upon our Earth Mother. Magic is just a science we haven't yet understood, said the amazing Arthur C. Clarke. Say it to yourself. Magic is just science we haven't understood yet.